Today I'll be sharing a talk titled, How AI Nearly Replaced Me and It Was Good for the Students. This presentation summarizes our real experience redesigning a graduate-level statistics course with extensive AI assistance. This is a case study of a real course designed in this fashion online at our open site. This is not just my experience. Others are also reporting how AI-assisted courses benefit students. This past summer, AI fundamentally changed how I taught my course. The transformation wasn't incremental. It reshaped nearly every component of my teaching workflow. The majority of lecture content themes were suggested by AI. AI also narrated the lecture videos. This alone saved countless hours. Instead, AI delivered clean, consistent audio narration automatically. The lectures were delivered through AI-generated avatars. This improved the clarity of spoken content and reduced issues related to my own accented pronunciation. We also integrated intelligent tutors into the course, shifted students from copy-pasting from AI to answer assignments to a process that emphasized thinking through the assignment and learning from it. These tutors restrict AI's role to guiding the student and never providing answers. They check on the student's thinking. Here's an example of an intelligent tutor for an assignment in analysis of variance. It starts with asking what software they want to use. Faculty always debate what software should be used, and now AI gives them a choice. Then it guides them by giving a general format for the command and asking them to start coding. Next, it helps them read the data for the analysis, asks for the number of rows they have read, and does not proceed until correct answer is arrived. The university is preparing to distribute intelligent tutors, so all faculty can use it. AI can also suggest a grade for the assignment. To evaluate the course, 12 students surveyed after they had received the course grade. 10 responded. They reported that they talked to each other more than the faculty in the class. The instructor had little lectures to give and little teaching to do. 90% liked the class structure and the components of the class. 2 students wrote unsolicited emails to the dean, talking about how the class transformed them. This is the text of one of the emails. The AI-assisted course succeeded because of several pedagogical changes that accompanied the AI delivery. This included increased socialization by peer teaching. Students were much more involved with each other. This included step-by-step learning of complex skills. The course was organized so students could learn by examples. Students typically ignore lectures and just start with assignments. The course was modified to have 27 assignments and to emphasize the adage, practice makes perfect. The course also made its restricted AI more available than direct use of AI by the students. And because the AI handled much of the routine work, I used the extra time to have more interactions with students, give them career advice, call up at-risk students, just be more available. Students could text me from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. So in lectures, teaching, and grading, it saved my time, and now I could do more. AI delivered video lectures, and I checked it for accuracy. AI delivered instruction through intelligent tutors, and I worked more with at-risk students. AI made provisional grade, and I gave the final grade. The time saving allowed me to do more with career advising and exams. AI enables you to do more.